Yeah, I got an OrcaTorch in front of me here. This is a T20, 980 lumen, 18650 powered flashlight. As you can see here, it comes with an awesome case. Been wanting to review this thing for a little while now. Company sent it to me. You got to go ahead and check that link out down below for them if you are interested in this light. But you're running a 980 lumens, up to 275 hours of runtime for this thing. 281 meters of throw, which is pushing 300. That is awesome. Waterproof down to 2 meters. What this light has is you got your charger, spare set of O-rings, some goodies, directions and whatnot, 2 OrcaTorch 2600 milliamp batteries, and these are running almost 10 watt hours. Beautiful holster, and a flashlight. Pretty awesome. Now one, it's got that little bit bigger head on it, beautiful reflector, got a straight bezel on it, you have your dual switches on it, very high quality, well built flashlight. And well machined, all aluminum mechanisms in the switch itself. You can take this thing off, which we'll leave it on for now. I don't know why I don't like them anti-roll or whatever you want, or works good for holding it and whatnot. You can pull off your clip. We're going to throw a battery in her, and we're going to see what this guy's made of outside and do some good beam shots with it. These are actual protected cell batteries. Pretty decent batteries this thing comes with. Like I said, this flashlight is actually very well machined. Everything fits just perfect. We're going to run through the modes on it quick, talk a little bit about the lumen output and whatnot, and then we're going to go out and get to the real work. This is running 4 modes, your low, middle, high, turbo, and then your strobe and SOS. And on low, you're talking 2 lumens, 275 hours, and that would be low. 275 hours of runtime with that. And your middle is 50 lumens, and it got a beautifully tight beam, and that'll run for 22 hours. Your high, 350 lumens for 3 hours, and then turbo, 1 hour and 35 minutes, 980 lumens. We're going to check the throw out on this guy, like I said. And this is running the XML2U2 emitter in it. Just to talk about saying it's high quality, I don't know. It's hard to describe it, but the machining on this flashlight is just phenomenal. I'm telling you, I can't, I guess, stress that enough. Not till you hold it in your hand would you realize how well machined this thing is. A lot of attention has gone into this light, into designing it and making it. I'm telling you that right now. Let's go out and check some beam shots out on this bad boy. Alright, 4 meters away from my lux meter, just like all my other videos. I'm going to take this T20 and shine it up against it, get the lux, and calculate the throw. Check it out. Not too shabby. 1847 lux times the brightness of the moon, or divided by the brightness of the moon, 0.25 times 4 meters squared, and come up with 343.8 meters of throw. It's pretty good. Beam shots next. Alright, first up, tree, 62 meters away. Here's the OrcaTorch. Look at that thing. It's a beast. Really like it. That thing's punching right out there. Good. 62 meters. Alright, right there. 94 meters with the OrcaTorch. Very easily. Hitting 94, no problem. And moving down, there's 130 meters right there. And that tree line in the back, on upwards of 190 to 140. Just beautiful. Let's move over to the hillside. And there's the hillside, about 240 meters up. Check that out. Got a little bit of a mist going on. Onwards, upwards of 300 meters. Phenomenal light. Something up there in the woods. Just saw some eyes. Pretty neat. Wicked. Alright, I'm in my front yard here. We're going to do a little bit of close range with the T20. And this is cranked up. Look at that. No problem. We're talking with that little skeleton up there up to 70 meters. See that wood line? Glow in the dark. I use that for the brighter lights to see if they'll give off a glow. I don't think this one's going to do it. Not really. Does a great job lighting everything up. And there's a medium, high, turbo. There's the lowest mode. Pretty wicked. Alright, I got my car lights on high right now. We're going to compare that to this OrcaTorch. There's the OrcaTorch on turbo. Does a good job of drawing out car headlights on high beam. OrcaTorch, car headlights. OrcaTorch, car headlights. Pretty awesome. Alright, there you are. T20 by OrcaTorch. Check that link out. Very impressed. Very high quality, well machined flashlight. Pretty awesome. So there you go. Till the next time.